Hello everyone, welcome to Suhana classes. Dear students, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it now so that you get my new updates. And here we are with class 6 mathematics. Hi students, welcome back. Students, we were there with exercise 2.2 of our chapter whole number. And in last class, we have completed question number 2. And now let's see question number 3. So what is our next question? Next question is to find the value of the following. So this group of numbers are given for us with multiplication and addition sign in between. So we have to find the value of this. So students, as we remember our properties, so using that properties we are going to solve this. So here 2 times multiplication and in between addition is there. So students, do you remember the property, distributive property of whole numbers? So what is the distributive property? If one number is given outside the bracket, you can give it separately for both of them. But opposite also we can do. If the both numbers are having one same number in multiplication with it, so what I can do, I can bring it common outside. With which sign they are attached here? They are attached with multiplication sign. And now what numbers are remaining? Here 17 is remaining in between plus sign, and in this group 3 is remaining. Is it clear? So 297 into 17 plus 3 is 20, and this multiplication I can do it very easily. Just 297 into 2 you do. 297 into 2. 14, 1 carry 18 plus 1 is 19. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 594. 594 and this 10, bring it as it is. So my answer is 5940. So this is the solution for your question A from your main question 3, and we did it by using the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Is it clear, students? Now let's see what is our next question. So students, our next question is we have to multiply and add this group of numbers. So as I can see two groups of number here, what thing I can see common in them? I can see 54,279 is common in both the groups. So what I will do? 54,279, I will bring it common outside, plus multiplication here because these numbers are attached with multiplication sign. And now in the bracket I have to keep the remaining numbers. So from this group what numbers are remaining? 92 is remaining, this between plus sign, and here in this group 8 is remaining. So 54279 I will keep it as it is into, if I add this 92 plus 8 is 100, and then I can do my multiplication very easily. Just my answer is 54279 and just add here double zeros. So here how can I give commas? 1 2 3 1 2 and here. What is our answer? My answer is 54,27,900. Is it clear, students? So now let's move for the next question, that is C1. So students, our next question is we have to find the value of these groups of numbers. So here I can see two groups of number again. Something I can see common. So what is the common? 81,265 is common here. So and both these numbers are attached with multiplication. Now what is remaining? If I bring them as common outside, what is remaining? In this group 169 is remaining. In between minus sign is there. In the previous question we saw that addition sign was there, but here we know that we can see here minus sign is there. Here we can see minus sign. So minus and here 69. So now 81265 into 169 minus 69 is just 100, and multiplication is more easier. 81265 and just add here 2 zeros. So my answer will be, what is my answer if I give commas? 81,26,500. So this is your answer for C question. Now students, let's see our next question. So students, our next question is we have to find the value of these all numbers. If you see this number, you feel it so much big number. how to do it. Yes or no, students? But let's do it very easier by doing it in simpler way by using our properties. So students, what I am going to do here, I am going to apply one trick here. So what is that trick? What I will do, I will keep the first group of numbers as it is. Plus 7, 69. Here I can see 25. 25 I am going to open it up. How? So 5 5 is 25. Yes or no? I opened it up. Now if I try to multiply these two numbers separately, I'll check what answer I'll get. Okay, 7, 69 into 5, 45, 30 plus 4 is 34, 5 plus 7 is 35, plus 3 is 38. What answer I got? 3845. But I have seen 3845 something here, somewhere here. Yes, I got it. So what I am going to do here? 3845. First group as it is. Plus, I have multiplied this. So 3845 into 5 as it is into 218. So next what I am going to do here, in the two groups of number, both the groups, something I can see common in them. 3845 is here also, 3845 is here also. Into 5 here and into 5 here. So what I am going to do here? 3845 into 5. I am going to take it common, and then these are attached with multiplication sign, and then in bracket what is remaining here from this group? 782 is remaining, plus what is remaining from this group? Yes, 218 is remaining. Why? Because 3845 into 5 I have taken it here outside. Yes or no? So remaining one I'll solve it. Now these two if you multiply, okay, or else keep it as it is, 3845 into 5. And if you add these two numbers, so let's see what will be my answer. 782 plus 218 and 10 one carry, here also 10 one carry, yes, 1000. So I got it as 1000 here. So at last what I am going to do, this number I will multiply with 5. Here 5 5 is 25, 20 plus 2 is 22, 5 8 is 40 plus 2, 42, and here 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. Yes, what answer I got? 19225, and these 3 zeros whatever are remaining, okay, I'll do in next step. So my last answer will be 19225, and just add 3 zeros here. Isn't it very easy? So students, now let's give commas here. After 3 numbers, after 2 numbers, after 1. Okay. Now what is my answer here? 1,92,25,000. So this is my final answer. If you want, you can just multiply these two groups. You can multiply these two groups and add and check your answer whether you get the same answer or no. So this we did it very easily. If you do by that way, you feel it more difficult. So this we have done it by very easier way. So if you follow by properties, you can do the calculations very easily. So students, here our question number 3 ends. So in the next class we will see what is the next question. Till then, take care.